gems. It's Charming L here. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time being here, I welcome you with open arms. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I post a new video. Hit that thumbs up and like, comment, and share. I just wanted to come and see you guys and join me for dinner. I had a taste for ribs. It's actually a whole rack. The other half is underneath. Yeah, so I didn't eat too much all day. I had a small lunch, that was it. So I went to TGI Fridays. I don't know who has a TGI Fridays in around their way. I go there from time to time, not often. I haven't been there in a while, but that's one of my spots that I do go to, especially for the ribs. I like their ribs. I got the ribs. I got steamed broccoli, mashed potatoes. Look at I put butter. I had to melt some butter to add to it, put inside. I don't know if you can see the butter. Yeah, buddy. I'm just tilting it up so you guys can see it. All right, before I dive in, you know what I gotta do? Please bless those that are less fortunate. Please bless all the hands that prepared it. I pray it's nourishing to my body. Please bless all my YouTube friends and family. And I pray and give thanks for all things. In Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Yeah, buddy. Oh, and these are Jack Daniel glazed. The sauce is Jack Daniel glazed. Let me pour some more on here. They only gave me 1 cup though. That's all good though. It's all good. I'm just gonna save some for the other pieces. Ooh, and I got my berry drink. Cheers. Who has a Fridays in their area? Comment down below if you have Fridays in your area. Oh, where should I start? I don't know. Where should I start? I don't know. These ribs are pretty big. Let me start with these potatoes. Can you guys see that? I had to tilt it a little bit for you guys to see it. I haven't had mashed potatoes in I don't know how long. Yummy. I melted butter, extra butter, and I put in the center of it. Look at that. It's dropping. Let me get that. Let me get that up. My favorite vegetable is right here, broccoli. And they steam it to perfection. How do you steam it to perfection? Oh, I got some of the sauce on it. Look at that. I'm so hungry. How are you today? I didn't even ask that. Ugh. Ooh. Let's see, what are these potatoes? Melted butter. More butter over here. Some more. I don't eat a lot of butter and stuff like that, but for these potatoes, slamming. Let's go to the main objective, which are the ribs. They have good ribs. Falls off the bone. Oops, see that? I'm holding it and it's falling off the bone before I can even bite it. That Jack Daniel's whiskey glaze is amazing. Look at that. You know what I mean? I just touched it with my teeth and it just fell off the bone. Mmm. Who likes ribs? I don't eat a lot of pork. Let's see. Let's put the bones on. Hold on. What I do is bacon and ribs. Look at that. If you have a place that has the whiskey glaze, try it. It's probably even good on chicken too, not just ribs. The whiskey glaze sauce. Y'all, my bad. It's gonna be a lot of that. It's good. It's really good. Mashed taters. Get some of these mashed taters. Look at that, guys. Ooh, it's dropping. Nice creamy mashed taters. So good. Comment down below, what's your favorite vegetable? Broccoli is our #1 vegetable in our household that we eat. So I've got broccoli. I do spinach, sweet peas, Brussels sprouts. Those are the main ones that we eat that I like, that we both like. And this is so tender. I have a question. In your area grocery stores, let me clean my palate real quick before I ask this question. In your grocery stores, are they, do they give you bags to put your groceries in, or do you have to buy bags there? Because here, you gotta bring your own bags, your own grocery bags, or buy their grocery bags that they have there at the register. And sometimes I go in the grocery store and I forget. I run in, boom, 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 like I normally do. And then grab my cart, clean it off. I always gotta disinfect. Go in, and I'm like, darn it, I forgot my grocery bags. And I keep grocery bags in the car. Mind you, just for that reason, because around here in New Jersey, I don't know any other states, you have to bring your own grocery bags or buy theirs. So when I'm in the store, I'm already midway. I don't go back. So if you don't have your grocery bags and you don't want to buy their bags, because you already have a lot accumulated, which is my issue, you gotta keep stuff in your cart. Keep stuff in your cart and then have it out in the open and just put them in your car without a grocery bag. But I refuse to buy more because I have too many of them. But who has that issue in their area, in their state or town, city, what have you? Where they have that rule now, they don't give bags out anymore. Mm. Woo. They gave me like two dollops of mashed potatoes. Yeah, it's getting crazy. Between the gas prices and no grocery bags, food prices going up.
They price gouge.
Yeah, I know. It's crazy. I mean, what can you do? You gotta eat, right? I think the gas stations are making up their own prices, to be honest with you. I really, really believe they are making up their own prices. Ooh. Look at that. That wasn't even on the bone. That was just like sitting there. But it's insane. But I want to travel. But I don't know what the airline tickets look like. But the airplane tickets look like. I'm scared to look. Really scared to look. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Y'all, I'm telling y'all. Good ribs. Now pray that everything gets better, because I want things to go back to normal. It's ridiculous. You don't even have to bite it. It just comes off. They should have gave me 2 cups of these. Look at that. I'm just putting this on here because I know I'm not going to eat this right now. This is a lot. I just want it to marinate in there a little bit. Hold up. Ooh, some of the sauces. Look at the sauces in the pan. Very good. Very, very good. I think the last time I made ribs, it was years ago. For some reason, when I made it, of course you boil it first before you put it in the oven. You season it, put your sauce and stuff. But for some reason, if I see the way it looks when I cook it, before I bake it, I can't like really eat it. I'd rather go this route. Take the easy way out. So I have food on my mouth. Excuse me. The easy way out. Ooh, Lord, half a rack, like, fills me up. My son could eat a whole rack. And sides. A whole rack and sides, not me. Mm. Oh my goodness. That hit the spot. It hit the spot. I don't want to talk too much. It's so good. Mm-mm-mm. Well, I hope everybody had a wonderful day, wonderful week. The week is winding down. I think next weekend is Memorial Day. Not Memorial Day. 4th of July weekend. See, I'm losing track of my days because of all these days off for the holidays we've been getting. Ah, that's good. Berry punch. Woo! I'm stopping here. I don't want to explode. This is so freaking good. Very, very good, as always. But I just wanted to come and say hi to my gems. I miss you. And to share my dinner with you. Hopefully you're having something good for dinner too. Or lunch, depending on what time zone you're in, because I'm in a different time zone than a lot of people. I'm like ahead 3 hours from certain places, and they're behind, whatever. So whatever meal you're on, I hope it's something good. And make sure you come back to see me. And my newcomers, those new viewers, I welcome you to come back again. And subscribe and like, comment, share. And I appreciate all my YouTube family. I appreciate all you. I love you all. And until my next video, stay blessed, safe, and enjoy the remainder of your week. And I'll see you soon. I'm going to dive into this later. All right. Bye. See you next time.